opposites.
It sure is. And there was a moment in the story when Ralph and Vanellope were each separated into two different memes by yes. Are you a Ralph? Are you a Vanellope? Are you a winner or a loser? Was how it was worded.
And it's starting to kind of affect Vanellope. It makes her kind of sad. She
Right.
doesn't believe yes. She believes like, no, Ralph and I are exactly the same. And this was Ralph kind of coming to the realization that no, we're kind of opposite.
And this lived with us for a long time. I like this scene because it really got into Ralph's psychology and
it's still living with me. It's on my couch every night.
Well, now
it's
you
like,
can
I
watch
can't-
it.
Yeah, so someone, could you please take in opposites?
So what are we looking at here, Yes? I see we got some squiggly lines and a few pies.
Your loser brand recognition is blowing up across the globe. You, my friend, are becoming a breakout star.
A star? Me? And I'm just doing the same stuff I do back home, except when I do it there, I get in big trouble. But here, people are loving me for it. Can you believe this, kid? Kid? Where'd she go? What you doing up here, little sis? You okay?
No, I'm fine. I guess I was just wondering. Hey, you don't think Nosemore's right, do you?
No. About what?
About how Yes put us in our own little bubbles, winner and loser. I mean, you and me, we're the same. We're not two kinds of people.
I don't know. I mean, before all this happened, I would have agreed with you, but the more I think about it, the more I realize I really am a bad guy.
You are not.
I know, I don't mean it like that. I mean, my job as the bad guy. If I do it well, the game is over, and the player lost, and they hate me for it.
They just lost. They don't hate you.
Oh, yes, they do. You've seen that girl who comes in every day after school. Every day, she smacks the screen and tells me I'm worthless.
Worthless!
Every single day of my life. Which is the opposite of you, because if you do your job right, the player wins the race and they love you. We're total opposites.
I guess I never thought about it that way before.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
Listen, human beings tend to cluster in like-minded tribes, right? Ergo, they tend to seek entertainment options that confirm their like-mindedness, which tends to create a whole bunch of like-minded bubbles. I like superheroes. I like cartoons. I like sci-fi. I like sports. I like the Golden Girls.
We can't go to all those sites.
Yeah, the kid's right. We don't have that much time, Yes?
Lucky for us, there's a place that bought all those bubbles, put them under one roof, and made a site that appeals to everyone. OhMyDisney.com. Welcome to the happiest place online. It's cool, right?
So in this deleted scene, Felix and Calhoun have adopted